welcome to my channel Inspired Birdie. So today we're going to do another mixed haul, and I'm actually going to start with the Dollar Tree first, since that is where I pretty much I think got most of my items from. So I've split everything up into fall and kids items, because that's really, you know, why I go there in the first place, is usually for kids items. So let's just jump right into this. You can see this right here, the troll Kleenex. I just get this because my kid is obsessed with trolls right now. The Kleenex, it isn't really great quality. I mean, I think it's like 1-ply. It says 2-ply, but it's not very soft. But if you have kids that love trolls, then it's just a lot of fun. So I picked up 2 of these boxes. So the reason that I actually went to Dollar Tree today was because I wanted to pick up these dollhouse furnitures. I knew that they had them. It's not new whatsoever. And so I knew that they had the dollhouse furniture. But now my kid is getting to that age where she loves to play with dollhouses, and I thought it would be a lot of fun to custom paint our own furniture. So I went and picked up a bunch of different tables. I picked up this dresser and this dresser here, and this looks like an entry type, entryway table. Yeah, and I thought it would be fun to paint these. They also have chairs as well, but we have a lot of those, so we didn't need any chairs. But that was really my main reason for going. Then I'm always looking at any kind of learning activities that they have, and these were the 2 that I grabbed. So this is a kindergarten first words book, and it's just looked really good to use for teaching first words, more from a spelling perspective. All the pictures. Oops. And then this one is colors and shapes. My kid already is really good with colors and shapes, but I liked these types of things, where you match the color to the word. So I thought that was that would be a lot of fun and very educational. So I grabbed those 2 books. Stickers. Okay, so I picked up, again, I said earlier, my kid's obsessed with trolls right now, and the dollar stores are definitely the place to go check out any kind of Disney or like Nickelodeon type of, I don't even know, no, this is DreamWorks, this isn't even Disney, but any kind of these things, they tend to have good deals. So I picked up 2 packs of stickers, each have 150, so here's the first flip through book. There's more than that, I just missed a page there. And then another one over here. So I picked up those 2 packs of stickers, and then I picked up this activity pack. It is closed, so I can't open it, but it just has a bunch of different activities for Paw Patrol, and then it has some stickers in the front there. Yeah. All right, so now I'm going to move on to some decoration. So I'm not sure about all of you, if you guys are going to be homeschooling at all this year, but we will be. So I wanted to pick up some decor for the playroom, because I'm going to be changing it over very soon to have more of a learning atmosphere. But I wanted some decorations for the wall. I know these aren't learning. There's no ABCs or anything like that. But I wanted some fun decor. I'm just going to show you the top. That's what it looks like. I have talked about these a lot in past videos. Main Street Wall Creations is the really good brand. I have had these types of stickers up on my walls, well, not mine, but my daughter's walls, for over 3 years, and they have never unpeeled. The other brand from the Dollar Tree, I can't remember the name of it, but they have another brand. It's something Designs, and I don't recommend it at all. It peels off all the time. I'm always having to push it to stick it down. And then I picked up this one as well. Let's see if my camera focuses here. No, it's same brand, and it just says, "Let the dreams come true." And I thought that would be really pretty to put up on a wall. Yeah, so I picked up those 2. Oh, another learning activity. They've always had these. I've never picked it up before, but my kid's at that age now where we can really, start utilizing something like this to teach. So this is a recycle activity kit, and it has the different recycling bins, and it's a kit. So it comes with a bunch of items, and then you match where you think it would go in terms of recycling. So I thought that was really cool. So it speaks to paper, cardboard, compost, plastic, and aluminum. How fun is that? And then I just picked up one of these file holders. It's one of these. little boxes just to put all of her school books in. And then 2 giant troll coloring books. They are the same coloring book. I just picked up 2 of them because, again, troll obsession. I'm sure we'll get through coloring all of these quite quickly. So these are the giant coloring books in their, coloring and book section. And then last little kids item, and this doesn't have to be a kid item. This could be an adult item too. I picked up this bow. Look how pretty this is. So, so pretty. And I love the ones that are just like the clip like that. Yeah, so I picked up that in the hair section. All right, let's jump into some of the Halloween fall decor. So the main item that I grabbed today, because again, this wasn't my purpose for going. I totally actually forgot that they're going to be putting their fall decor out soon, so I'll have to make another trip. But I was really excited to see these because every year I look for these items so that my kid and I can do like a painting session and do some arts and crafts. And by the time I go looking, they're always gone. So start looking now if you like to use these types of things as well. And it doesn't have to be for a kid. You can be an adult who wants to color and decorate and put up some fun items. So I picked up the ghost, and then I picked up this cat with a pumpkin, and then just one really big pumpkin. And I really like this. I think I might incorporate this into our like front door sign or something this year. Trick or treat. And then for decor, I only picked up these 2 items. You can see the pumpkin sitting in the background. I already have a lot of white pumpkins like this from Dollar Tree, but this is different. I've never seen the white pumpkin before that has like the maple leaf carved into the paint. Thought that was pretty neat. And it does that all the way around. So super pretty. And I love the white. They also had like a really dark green, like a forest green, and they had a brown. And then I picked up this sign here, super pretty. I love their signs, but I don't like their signs that are all in glitter. And this has a little bit of glitter, but not as much as a lot of their other signs. I don't know. I find the glitter kind of takes away just that really upscale look when they put glitter on it. Plus, a lot of their signs that they have right now are all carryover from last year, so there was nothing new. But I don't remember seeing this one, so I picked this one up, and hopefully, I'll get out there again and be able to check out all of the fun fall stuff that's coming out. And this little flower here, I love how it actually pops, the sunflower. It pops off it's not part of the actual painting. It's a wood, like a wood piece that's glued on there. So very, very, very pretty. All right, let's move on to Dollarama. Okay, so moving on to Dollarama, I'm going to save my favorite item for the very end. But like I said, I didn't get a lot from here, only like 5 or 6 things. So the first is this Paw Patrol kit. I actually featured this in one of my last hauls, but this was a new one. It's a Bon Voyage, so it's like a little vacation one. But these are, how do I explain? They're like scene kits. So it comes with a scene, and then all of the stickers, and then you put the stickers to create your own scene. And then they're reusable, so you can do it over and over. And then it also comes with a little coloring book and crayons. So for $2.50, really, really fun, and you can get a lot of good use out of it. Again, for anyone who's new to my channel, the Dollarama is a Canadian dollar store, and the items there range up to $4. But I've mentioned this many times before, you tend to find like higher quality items than what you would find at Dollar Tree. This is a puzzle book, Cars. Kid loves cars. So I picked up one of these. It was $3, which is a fantastic deal. So what this is, it's a book, and there's many pages inside, and every page is a puzzle. So just a really good, fun activity to do with your kid. And there's 5 different puzzles inside. That's what the inside looks like. And then I also grabbed these. So this is one of those 5 surprises. It was $4, so slightly cheaper than what it would be at Walmart. So these are the ones that have the different surprises on the inside. You have to unwrap it and see what you got inside. I also picked up this really cute, I don't even know what this is. It's like a squish ball. It's just fluffy and colorful. It has a face on it. It was $1. I just thought it was really cute. Okay, more room decor. So this is another like wall decor. I'll just show you right here. So this is what it looks like. I actually got the middle one and it was only $2.50. So these are room decors that you peel and stick onto your wall. And I already have this one. This is what I used to decorate my daughter's playroom to divide the wall, and I needed one more. Last time I did this, they only had 3 and I was short one. So today they just happened to have one. So I grabbed it, which is funny because I actually did her room like 3 years ago. So that was kind of cool to see that they brought it back. So I grabbed that. All right, everyone. So I know I said that I had a really small Dollarama haul, but I ended up going back the next day looking for something. So I thought that I would share with you because I ended up with this whole bag of stuff. And it's a separate day because you can tell I cut my thumb trying to DIY something. So I just thought I'd share with you what I grabbed. So first one, nothing special. Cotton balls, just needed this for a nail polish remover. These, I already have these. Absolutely love them. I use them in the, what are they called? I think they're something made cubicle storage bins that you get from Walmart. And yeah, they're just like cubed storage and they're only $2.50. So I picked up some new ones. The ones that I have right now are about 3 or 4 years old, and these parts were starting to tear. So I grabbed 2 more of these storage bins just to replace the ones that I have that are broken. But I'll show you here. They're really cool. You can get different colors. Yeah. All right, picked up some hair bows. I already hauled one of these not long ago, a red one, and they're super pretty. They just fit really, really well. My daughter loves them. So I picked up this unicorn, and there's another one in here somewhere. I also picked up some paintbrushes. I have tons of paintbrushes, but I just like these ones because they're thicker to hold on to and a little bit bigger. Some more craft balls. These are a huge hit, at least with my kid. We make planets and stuff like that. So this is a little tip for anybody who has kids. We stick corn on the cob picks on the end, and then she just uses that to hold it and then paints them. They're only $1.25, and you get 8 of them in here. So I picked up those. Picked up some ribbon. It's for a DIY, something that I'm making for my daughter. A picture frame. I've actually bought these before, so this isn't like a new thing. I just needed a picture frame, so I grabbed this one. I love the white with the floral. I think it just looks so chic and pretty. And that was $2.50. Here's the other bow. It's really cute, just flowers. I call them like a floppy bow. They're just so cute. And these are $1.50. Picked up some more hand sanitizer now that things are starting to calm down. Stores, I notice, are starting to replenish, but I love carrying these in my purse. It's a dry spray, which I really, really love, so it's really cool. I also picked up a little small hydrogen peroxide because I needed some. Mine was running out, $1.25. Some Band-Aids, which is a really great deal because these Band-Aids on Amazon for $80 are almost $5. So $40 for $1.25. Grabbed those. And this is why I actually went to the dollar store, Dollarama, was I wanted these bins because I DIY'd my own pantry. And now I need some bins to organize the food in my pantry. So these were $3. And, oops, sorry. Really, really high quality. These are the standard that you would see anybody use in their pantries, but I'm pretty sure that this is a great deal for $3. I was looking on Amazon and they were really expensive. So I love these. It's a really thick plastic. So this is the smaller version, and then I got 5 of these bigger ones. and they were only $3.50. $3.50. So they were only 50 cents more than the one I just showed you, and they're double the size almost. So yeah, I picked up a ton of those. Some craft flowers, just for a DIY that I'm working on, $1.25. And other than that, more craft flowers. So I picked up these rose craft flowers as well, $1.25. Super pretty. And then I only got my kid one thing, and it's these My Favorite Pets. So it's just a bunch of like little bunnies and carrots. And the reason I actually got these is we like to bury little toys into kinetic sand, and then she goes digging and looking for it. So these were the perfect size to hide in kinetic sand. She loves bunnies, so I'm not even going to show it to her. I'm just going to use it next time we do that activity, and then she'll be pleasantly surprised. So this doesn't have a price on it, but it's Dollarama brand, so I'm thinking it was probably around $1.25 or $2. Anyhow, okay, so here's my last items, guys. This is my favorite item, a find of the day. These were $4 each. They're pretty large, and they're from Dollarama, but they are just wired. You can see it's wire decor. This one says home. This one says love. And then I love the decor on the bottom. So they both have greenery pieces with a flower. Sorry if my lighting isn't good and you can't really tell, but this is a really beautiful white with this beautiful greenery around it. And then this one is more of like almost like an orange pink type color, again with the beautiful greenery around it. So I just thought these were super pretty to decorate with, and I grabbed the last two. So $4 each, can't go wrong, because an item like that at, I don't know, Winners or Marshalls or any of those types of places, Home Goods, probably have been a lot more. I know a lot of you tell me that you wish that you had a Dollarama in the US, because they have such great quality decoration items. So that's my favorite item for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick haul, and thanks for stopping by and for watching. And hopefully we'll have another one really soon. Love and peace to you all. Bye.